to your master cylinder. You want to take the paper towel and stick it in the master cylinder, set up under that jack stand as a foundation. See how I'm spinning it and the whole thing is spinning? Now, oh man, that one is take your caliper, wiggle. You want to lubricate that pin out of that slot. Take your old brake pad, put it up here. Is soaking it up. So you want to pound. And what it is these little, make sure you spray it real good. All right, let's clean all our parts up. You want to make sure it's flush. All right, that is perfect. That one go on the inside. I'm not going to show you the inside. I'm going to show you the outside. Also remember to put the pad side facing the rotor. That and